How to change Outlook profile picture on phone. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So as you launch the Outlook application, make sure you're logged into your account, then tap on the Google icon and then tap on settings. As you tap on settings, tap on accounts, and as you tap on your account, there you can see you cannot change your profile picture on your phone. So what we are going to do is we're going to get out of the Outlook application and launch the Chrome browser and log into our Microsoft account. So as you log into your Microsoft account, simply tap on your profile at the top right corner. Here, select on your profile, and as you select on your profile, what you can simply do is you'll be able to tap on your picture. So you can just tap on change photo. So you can tap on add a photo at the bottom of the screen. Now let's select a picture over here, then tap on done. You can now zoom in or zoom out over here. You can rotate the picture as well if you would want. If not, you can just let it be. And after that, you can just tap on save. And as you tap on save, you can just tap on close, refresh the page. And as you refresh the page, you'll be able to see you have your profile icon or the profile picture over here. So that's how you change Outlook profile picture on your phone. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.